everyone. You've just caught me tidying up everybody else's mess in this house. I wonder if that happens in your house, or whether it all gets saved for the same person to pick up each time. It's not really showing respect, is it? Well, why don't we do our assembly today about respect from our Reach values? Our very first one here, respect. Let's do that.
So when we talk about respect, what is it exactly that we mean?
Well, some people might say it's about having good manners. It's about saying please and saying thank you and showing respect to others in that way. And some people might say it's about respecting others' views and beliefs. For example, if somebody thinks differently about something to you, that's okay. I have to respect your views and you have to respect mine. And some people might say that showing respect is about treating others as you would like to be treated yourself. And you know what? All of these things all mean respect, but it's the last one that we're going to look at today. It's about thinking about how we act and how we are towards other people, especially if we'd like them to act in a certain way towards us. I've got a story to show you exactly what I mean.
Our story is called Gilbert the Goat Learns Respect. I've accessed this at myyoungchild.org. If you wanted to go there, there are lots of stories and you can tap on the pages to turn them over. Gilbert loved school and his friends, but he didn't always respect others. When it was time to wash his hands, Gilbert pushed up to the sink so he could be first, and his friends said, "Gilbert, please don't do that." When Gilbert got excited, he knocked down the blocks and everyone said, "Gilbert, please don't do that." During quiet time, Gilbert was noisy and everybody said, "You can join in with me. Gilbert, please don't do that." Gilbert bumped against his friends' paintings while they were drying, and his friends said, "Gilbert, please don't do that." Oh dear, they're having to tell him a lot, aren't they? Sometimes Gilbert shouted out in class when it wasn't his turn. The teacher said, "Gilbert, please don't do that." And at snack time, Gilbert ate the snack and the napkin and the plate. This time the teacher said, "Gilbert, we need to talk." Gilbert, how would you like it if other children pushed ahead of you, or knocked down your things, or spoke when it was your turn? Have a think, boys and girls. How would you feel? Gilbert thought about how sometimes he wasn't careful around his friends, and he promised to try to be more respectful to others and their things. The next day, when Gilbert came to school, he was very careful. He didn't push, shove, or eat the napkins. Gilbert was very careful and respectful to all of his friends, and they all said, "Gilbert, that was really nice."
So poor Gilbert the goat, he didn't even realise that he was being disrespectful to his friends and to his teacher and the people around him and their property. He didn't mean to do all of those things. He was just excited about being first or taking part in the learning, and didn't realise that he was potentially spoiling his friends' paintings and making it not very much fun for everybody else. And I do wonder, and you might wonder as well, do you think you've ever done that without even realising? So part of being respectful is beginning to look at ourselves and how we act and behave around other people. I might always want to be first, but have I ever wondered in my class whether the 29 other children might want to be first as well? I've got something for you now, which is all about respect and all about treating others as you would like to be treated. It's called the Respect Rap.
all about the golden rule. You respect me and I respect you. Now we're cool, so please respect my personal space. Keep your hands to yourself and please stay out of my face. In your words can hurt as strong as a fist, so use them very gently like a flick of the wrist.
You get my gist? Now you see how I feel. Deep in the game, I got a name and I'm real. So all you bullies, back up, back off, and get back. Listen to yourself before you start an attack.
Some people have a reason to do what they do. Maybe you saw it before. Maybe it happened to you. Or maybe it's something in your life that you've seen. Like maybe on a TV or computer screen.
But it doesn't make it right if you know that it's wrong. You know the truth inside all along. Be strong.
It's respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I give it to you and you give it to me. It's respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. You gotta treat people respectfully. It's respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I give it to you and you give it to me. It's respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. You gotta treat people respectfully.
Children will build in the future, so use the tools that your school has provided to do the work. Baby, work. Gotta get the job done. When it's through, then it's time for a whole lot of fun.
On the run, eat lunch, then yes, recess. It's the best, all play, no stress. Hard work brings easy rewards and more.
Yes!
But you must respect the rules of school. 4 or 5 hours.
Respect your teachers in class, you gotta listen and learn. Raise your hand politely and speak when it's your turn.
Respect your students in their time. Please don't interrupt. Follow the directions so you know what's up.
Respect each other.
Don't make classmates feel low. Lift them up. Put some water on their plants. Help it grow.
And if you have a problem, then learn to use your words.
Express yourself.
The way your feelings are heard.
So focus on the mission at hand, and the plan is to foster your success. Demand only the best. You can do it with your teachers and your parents' support. And you can shine every quarter when you get your report.
And your grades open doors down the road. Don't you know? Good grades, good job, good show. So let me give you lots of smiley faces and check, but only if you understand.
It's for respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I give it to you and you give it to me. It's for respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. You gotta treat people respectfully. It's for respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I give it to you and you give it to me. It's for respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. You gotta treat people respectfully.
Oh, I really like the respect rap. I think it's going to be playing in my head all day. What I really like about it is that it clearly shows it's about mutual respect. It's about I respect you, you respect me. And I think the kids on that video demonstrate that really, really well. So what I'd like you to do before I go is to be very aware of yourself this week and how you are talking to others, maybe the people in your family, your friends if you get to see anybody this week, or if you're in school, maybe the adults in school or the adults in your home as well. Are you talking to them and treating them in the way that you would like to be spoken to yourself? Until next week, keep reaching for the stars, everybody, and I'll see you then.